Hello, I'm Luke Michael Howard, clinical hypnotist and owner of Lukenosis Hypnosis, and I'm about to have an ice bath. Reasons for this: it's great for your skin, it's great for your respiratory system, great for your metabolism, great for releasing those neurochemicals of oxytocin to make you feel loved and connected, serotonin to get more mental balance, more mental health, and also the other one that I'm missing right now, dopamine, that naturally make you feel high. And the benefits have been proven about 11 minutes a week, not in one sitting, but about 11 minutes of cold therapy exposure a week is good to elevate all of those positive neurochemicals. So about 2 minutes a day, 6 days a week. So I'm going to go in right now. We got the timer on the table. It will start when I go in, and we're going to aim for 2 minutes. All right, ready? All right. Oh. Woo. Okay. 2 minutes. Go all the way down. Oh. Okay. And you can come in and check this out if you want. I've got some things to make it colder in here to bring it down. A lovely ice bottle of my favorite beverage right here to bring the temperature. I even have a little pillow that I'm not sitting on. All right, let's go a little bit lower. There we go. When I did this the other day, there was too much water in it and it was overflowing, so I had to get rid of some of it. But it's not that bad. Once you're in, you don't want to do any fancy breathing patterns when you're inside, like holding your breath or anything like a Wim Hof type thing, because you may pass out. You don't want to pass out in water. So just regular breathing when you're inside. Focus on what you want to focus. Get it to about neck level. And just breathe. Just hang out for about 2 minutes. This doesn't feel as bad as it could. Actually feels okay. So we've got 45 seconds left. And again, reasons for doing this: if you suffer from SAD, seasonal affective disorder, depression, anxiety, generally neurochemically, that means that some of those neurochemicals in your brain are out of balance. So cold therapy, again, the science says about 11 minutes a week, not in one setting. So basically 2 minutes a day for 6 days a week. We got 20 seconds left. Is good for alleviating those symptoms for those nasty disorders. Actually, it's doing all that speaking right now as I've got 10 seconds left. It's not that cold in here. We need to make it even colder next time. It is the autumn that we're doing this, and we are in September, and 2 minutes is up. So there we go. That is the ice bath. We're going to do one of these every day, or at least 6 days a week. I've been Luke Michael Howard, clinical hypnotist. Always believe.